Hi everyone, my name is Sivaraja. Now I start my webinar in Windows Server. Now today I discuss about workgroup and domain model. So let's start now. Our agenda is first we discussed workgroup model. What is workgroup model? Workgroup model means a group of computer connected in LAN uses common name and a default model of Windows computer, and all computers in this model act as server or client. Maximum managed to 30 computers. So now what? Workgroup model is default model of all Windows computer, which means Windows Server operating systems and Windows client operating system, all operating systems are there. So install any one operating system in your host. So install one Windows operating system in your host. So that time you check in your operating system default mode is workgroup model. Every Windows computer default model is workgroup model. So these computers like act as server or client, that's default one, and a maximum managed 20 to 30 computer only managed administrator, and five workgroup model computers are there. So five workgroup model computers, each computer's local databases are there. That local database is SAM database, security account manager. It is default database of every Windows computer. So client or server, anything, and it is a local database. It contains username, password, group accounts informations, and location. This is a default location for SAM database, local database locations in Windows computer. Example, these four computers are there, Windows computer. So default model is workgroup model. So four computers, each computer is maintained local database. That database called SAM database. So this one informations, and the next is what is domain model. Our next agenda, what is domain model? Domain model, which means, so the name of domain database NTDS, new technology directory services. So workgroup model database is SAM, domain model database is NTDS, and the default domain model database path is these locations, particular locations, and it is not default database. So as an administrator will change the domain model workgroup to domain model. It's a manual database, manually created by administrator. And the next, this database is a centralized database. And the next is, it is maintained users, computers, passwords, other accounts informations are maintained, and there is one computer act as server, remaining all computers act as client. Once again, in workgroup model, all computers is a standalone computers. In domain model, one computer act as a server, remaining all computers act as a client. So example on diagram is a domain model setups. One computer act as a server, remaining computer act as a client. So server means to providing services to entire clients as a server. So now how to change manually in domain model? See there, one famous service for Windows domain platform, Active Directory Domain Services. These services as an administrator will change the workgroup to domain model computers. is one of the universal famous tool for domain model by installing Active Directory domain services. And now I go to one computer. This is our computer, Windows Server 2019 computers. So now I go to check all computer default model is or group model. Now I check this computer, go to local server, see the work group, see there, this is a default model of our computer. So now our group model is maintained local database. That database path is go to C drive, my computer, C drive in Windows System 32, and database for all Windows computers. See Windows System 32 config SAM. So SAM is contain all user informations and username and passwords it contains. So administrator, these databases can't delete. It's a inbuilt for every Windows operating systems. It's a local databases. And the next, how to change this, how to convert workgroup to domain model using services Active Directory. So where we can see the Active Directory services. So using Windows Server operating systems, if you want to install Active Directory domain services, you only using Windows Server operating systems. In client operating system is not there in. This only for inbuilt service Windows Server operating systems. So now open Server Manager. What is meant by Server Manager? This is a tool to manage all services in Windows computer, Windows Server computer. So now go to Add Rules and Features. So this I can't change. Now go to Next. Can't change. Go to Next. This is system information, system name and IP address and which operating systems are using. And now go to Next. So this is a roles. All, so some many roles are there. Now I domain services. Check this box. Including features. In Windows role side, this is a roles. Every roles including some features are there. In backgroundly run some features. So check this box, Active Directory domain services. Go to Next. So default is checked these services including Active Directory domain services. So next. So now next. Now these services are including Active Directory domain services, group policy management, remote server administrative tools, role administration tools, and ADDS and ADLDS tools, Active Directory model for Windows PowerShell, ADDS tools, Active Directory administrative centers, ADDS snap-ins and command line tools. So these are all tools are including in install Active Directory domain services. So now I try to install. Now I can try only install inbuilt service Active Directory domain services. Default is uninstall as a administrator install manually. So now I only install Active Directory domain services only, and after installing, to configure the console. How to configure console? Now this version is completed, and after I configure these systems, now installation is going. Now wait some few seconds. In worldwide, only using we change in domain model, only using the service Active Directory service only, otherwise no services are there. So if you want to promote domain, only using Active Directory services. So promote this server to a domain controller, click that one. Now I create new domain controller, choose this option, add new forest. So name something dot something. Now you write. So I type abc.com, abc.com is a domain information operations. So this is a OS functional level options. So this default only, including Active Directory domain services. DNS also default install. So DNS means it's a name resolution service, and global catalog services also installed. It's another one service for domain model. Now is process is going. So now I type DSRM password. So these passwords using in future some essentially delete some servers. So that times using this password, this is like backup restore passwords. So now I type, go to next. This is a warning. So enter server warning. So DNS delegation does not configure. So after installing, now you leave it. Now our NetBIOS domain name is a local name resolution service, NetBIOS. This is a default path. See Windows NTDS, it's a database path, it's a log file path, and this is a group policy folder path, sysvault folder. So this default one. Now I go to next. So this is a review your selections. So check one time and next. Now verifying prerequisites for domain controller, which means domain model services. Verifying prerequisites for all services is ready to install, and after create the domain model abc.com. Now this process is going some few minutes, so wait till hold. Now all prerequisites checks passed successfully. Now go to install. Now the systems will promote workgroup to domain model. So these warnings I not enable the cryptography security key configurations. So this is not mandatory. So now our focus is how to do workgroup to change domain model using Active Directory services. Now waiting for DNS installation to finish. Checking group policy management consoles need to be installed, and local computers and directory path and directory partition path. So create some objects. So setting LSA and secure mission policies are installed. Securing Airbus policies installed. So many policies installed in background. Now that system is restarted automatically, so our session is disconnect. So after I connect in Azure portal to MSDSE remote desktop connections. After I connect that VM, so now see there, wait few seconds. So see there, this is domain controller options, DNS options, additional options, paths, review option, prerequisite checks, installations. Last will come result. Now you are to be signed out. I already told this system is now session is disconnect. Why? Because is restarted. So now our session is disconnect, and after I connect, copy the public IP and connect. Now I try to log in that particular systems. Now Active Directory installation is going. Okay, maybe it will take 5 to 7 minutes maximum. So now installation is going, so take some time. Now I log in only remote desktop. Now it's going. Now installation is completed. Now only I log in local administrator. I log in domain administrator ABC. So go to our server manager. So see this side. See there, these systems will change to domain model. Already I see you. Already we see you work group model. Now you see domain model. So default model, work group model. Now you see you domain model abc.com. So now this system will change domain model. So these domain systems will control all entire our organization client systems. This is a domain or domain controller or root domain is name, another names. So these domain controller systems will control all entire client systems. This is a server. These sites will providing services to entire client. Now how to check these services installed? This is the option domain abc.com installed. Now this system will change to workgroup to domain model. So go to tools, these sites, Active Directory users and computers, console to manage users and computers. This is a console to manage user and computers. abc.com. These are all like a container. So container, some many inside container some many objects are there. This is a default objects for Active Directory users and computer sites. It's a built-in users, built-in groups. See there, this is a name and type and descriptions. These are all. This is a computer. So if you want to add any computer this domain, so list that site. And this is a domain controller. It's only for these systems. Domain controller and users. There is a user default user informations. This is a built-in account user administrator accounts. And in double head icon, this is a group icon. Single head icon is a single user icon. And now how to create one user in Active Directory users and computers? Click the user and right click new, and these are all some computer group, many things are there. Go to user. Otherwise, if you want create user, this icon is click create user. So this is a user object. This is a classes. This is a default classes for Windows domain model. So default structures for will create Windows, create the single user icon. And this is a way of installed Active Directory domain services. Will change to workgroup to domain model using some services, Active Directory domain services. So now I end up this webinar. So thanks for watching.